Have you ever seen a big product launch happening online and thought, man, I wish I knew how to get in on that? Because every single day there are new products launching: AI tools, software tools, marketing systems, side hustle programs, digital products, and many of them have affiliate programs where regular people can promote them and earn commissions. And what most people don't realize is that a lot of money can move during these launches. And not just for the product creator, affiliates can make great money too, sometimes amazing money. And I've seen this from both sides. I've made money as a product creator and I've made money as an affiliate. And I've had a lot of affiliates make money promoting my products during launches. So I can tell you from real world experience, there's a lot of opportunity around new product launches when you know how to position yourself correctly. And one of the fastest ways affiliates do this is with something called launch jacking. Launch jacking is where you get positioned around a product launch before, during, or right as that product goes live. So when people start searching for reviews, bonuses, walkthroughs, demos, and information about that product, your content can be right there in front of them. And that's powerful because you're not trying to convince random people to care about something. You're getting in front of people who are already interested and already curious. They're already searching and they're already asking, is this worth it? Should I buy this? Is there a review? Are there any bonuses? And that's where the opportunity is. And this is something I know very well because as one of the few super affiliates on this platform, not only have I personally made money with launch jacking, but many of my top affiliates promote my products using launch jacking strategies. I've seen affiliates create review content, get that content in front of buyers, send those people through their affiliate link, and earn commissions from my launches. So this strategy works. That's not even the question. The big challenge is this: most people have no idea how to do it the right way. They think affiliate marketing means grabbing a link, throwing it on Facebook, maybe posting it somewhere and hoping somebody clicks. That's not the game. The real game is knowing how to get in front of people who are already going to be searching for information about that product. The real game is creating the right kind of review content at the right time and sending that traffic to what I call your money page. And that's why we created LaunchJacker AI. This is a simple, detailed, step-by-step launch jacking system that shows you the exact process for getting positioned ahead of product launches and creating your own money page. And when I say step-by-step, I mean it's laid out in a very simple, easy to follow way. You're not left guessing what to do next. You're not trying to piece together random ideas from YouTube videos or Facebook groups. You get the system. You get the traffic strategy. You get the launch jacking process laid out so you can simply follow the path. Your money page is your review page. It's the page that explains the product, highlights the benefits, gives people a reason to keep reading, and helps them move toward clicking your affiliate link. And this is where most people get stuck. They don't know how to structure the review. They don't know how to make it exciting and persuasive so people actually want to click through their affiliate link. So they either never create the page or they create something weak that doesn't really sell. LaunchJacker AI helps solve that by giving you a simple system for creating the kind of review-style money page that can help sell the affiliate product for you. It gives you the method for putting together a strong, benefit-driven review page without having to figure everything out from scratch. You'll know what to put on the page. You'll know how to create a page that helps people get excited about clicking through your affiliate link. And that's a big deal because you want to get positioned ahead of the launch as quickly as possible. You want to create your money page and get your free traffic locked in as soon as possible. And you want to give yourself the best possible chance of earning commissions from each and every launch that you promote. That's what this system is designed to help you do. It gives you a clear, simple path to follow. Find the launch, create the money page, drive traffic, and send people through your affiliate link. And we've made it ridiculously simple. But the review page is only the first part of the strategy. Because once you have your money page, you need people to see it. So inside LaunchJacker AI, we also show you how to get traffic. And the cool part is this is free traffic. That means you don't have to pay for ads. You don't need a giant email list. You're just putting your content in places where people are already searching, watching, scrolling, and looking for answers. And you send that traffic back to your money page and bam, that's how you make money. You're not just randomly posting links and hoping someone buys. You're creating a simple launch jacking setup that gives people a page to land on, a clear, trustworthy review, and then your affiliate link. So all you're really doing is, number one, finding an upcoming product launch. Number two, creating your review page. Number three, using the traffic method to start getting free visitors to that page. It's simple, clear, and step by step. And once you understand the process, you can use it again and again with as many new product launches as you want. Heck, you could do new review pages every day if you really want to max out your income. Now, I don't want to make this sound like some magic push button thing, because it's not. You still need to take action. And of course, we make no income promises because everybody's results are different. What I can tell you is this: launch jacking is a very real strategy that is proven to work. There's no question about that. Not only have I made tons of affiliate commissions with launch jacking, but my top affiliates also make tons of money with launch jacking. See, launch jacking is a simple strategy. You're getting in front of people who are already interested in that product and just want a little more info. You're not trying to build an entire business from zero before you can make your first commission. You're positioning yourself ahead of launches that are already being promoted in a big way. That's powerful and smart. And that's what LaunchJacker AI is all about. It gives you the strategy, the system, and the simple steps. And it even shows you how to get free traffic to your review page. So if you've ever wanted to make money as an affiliate and you didn't know where to start, or you've seen other people cashing in on launches and wondered how they were doing it, then this is something you should take a serious look at. Because once you understand this method, you'll start seeing product launches very differently. Every new launch becomes a new opportunity to build income. Every product with buzz becomes a new chance at commissions. And because launches are happening all the time, this is a strategy you can use over and over and over again. And that's why I like this strategy so much. It's simple, it's repeatable, and it's based on launches that are already happening every single day online. So don't hesitate. Click the button below and get access to LaunchJacker AI. Get inside, follow the simple step-by-step system, create your first money page, and start driving free traffic. Make that affiliate money, and now you can with LaunchJacker AI.